Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time. Your girl has been injured. I pulled a hip flexor, which has prevented me from making these videos for you. I'm not 100% yet, but I am starting to feel better, so I thought I would make this tutorial on how to do what I think is the easiest S-wrap on the Aerial Silks. In order to do an S-wrap, you do need to be able to invert on the silks. You can, however, practice from the floor. And of course, remember, whenever you're training anything new on any aerial apparatus, please use the proper safety equipment. Aerial is dangerous. Also, if you like this kind of content, please hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on, as it really supports me and my channel. Alright, let's get to it. For demonstration purposes, I am going to climb a little bit off the ground, but once again, you can do this from the floor. This S-wrap starts from a same side knee hook inversion. Whenever I know I'm going to have to invert in the air, I like to start from a French Russian climb. I will be demoing on my right side, so I start climbing up on my right side. From there, I invert, hook my right knee on the silks. First, I gotta wrap my free leg in a catcher's wrap. Same arm as free leg swims down behind you. I give the silks a gentle press so it's closer to my waist. And then I hook the knee from the inside to the outside. For this specific S-wrap only, the first time I teach it to students, I tell them to grab the silks behind their butt and pull it taut with both hands. This is not mandatory, but it will prevent you from sliding and even falling. From here, I gotta switch which knee is hooked. So I pike both of my legs forward and then just switch the knees. Now, I take the silks from the outside of the free leg to the inside. From there, I just switch which knee is hooked one more time by slightly piking forward, switching the knees, and now I am in a locked S-wrap. In order to get out of your S-wrap, you have to be unlocked. Please take a moment as I switch to the side so I can show you the difference between locked and unlocked. This is unlocked when the silks is open, it's crisscross, but it's not kind of knotted together. And then this is locked when it's kind of crossed in front of your belly. Again, there are many different ways to get into your S-wrap, and there are many different sequences that start from an S-wrap, both locked and unlocked. I just want to show y'all how I get out of it. I unlock the S-wrap. I reach one hand up, one hand under. Then, as I unhook my knee, I kind of switch the top hand underneath, pike both the legs forward again, and when I bring my legs back down, everything just falls off. If you forget to unlock your S-wrap, you are kind of going to be stuck in there. And you guys, that is it. That is the lesson for today. We are out of there. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment box below. Also, if you would like any other tutorials for aerial silks, I am so happy to try and deliver to any requests I receive. Also, a reminder, if you live near New York City, I teach beginning silks at Body and Pole. I also teach flexibility classes. They are open level, so please come train with me anytime. Would love to see you. Once again, I gotta plead my case. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It means so much to me. That's all for now. Until the next time, have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.